Normal paving, did you look into
Looked at
pave?
looked at overlaying in lots of different ways, overlaying with lots of different surfaces, tiles, bricks, looked at all of the overlaying solutions. Everything that we looked at was with a cement based sub-layer.
Yeah.
Anything that we put down in that sort of style, where it's a cement based rigid product, is going to crack if we go over something like this. Hopefully there's not too much movement, but you're always going to get movement, and that's one of the reasons why going for a resin based product, which is a better solution
than your rigid,
than something
rigid cake.
Yeah, just a little bit more give, and hopefully we get a lot more life out of it. In the end, my wife decided to go with this colour simply to try and match the trimmings around the eaves of the house on the shed. We're going to try to match that a little bit. And then to go away, and over the period of a day, this was done. 1 day to set, and then you're left with the surface, smooth and clean and brand new.
Yeah.